Hey there! Are you dealing with a frustrating situation where your LG monitor keeps turning on and off? Don't worry, you're not alone. This common issue can disrupt your workflow and affect your experience. But fret not, because in this guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to fix LG monitor turning on and off and get your monitor back to working seamlessly. Step 1. Check the power connection. First and foremost, ensure that your monitor's power connection is secure. Unplug the power cable from both the monitor and the socket. Wait a few seconds and then plug it back in, making sure the connection is snug. Sometimes a loose connection can cause intermittent power issues, leading to the monitor switching on and off unsystematically. Step 2. Inspect the cables. Faulty cables can often be the culprit behind this problem. Check the video cable connecting your monitor to your computer. Look for any visible damage such as fraying or bent pins. If possible, try using a different cable to see if the issue persists. Swapping cables is an easy way to eliminate potential problems and ensure a stable connection between your computer. Swapping cables is an easy way to eliminate potential problems and ensure a stable connection between your computer and monitor. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. Out-of-date or corrupted graphics drivers can cause display issues, including your monitor. Out-of-date or corrupted graphics drivers can cause display issues, including your monitor turning on and off. To fix this, head to your computer's device manager, find the display adapter section, and update your drivers. You can choose to search for updates automatically or download the latest drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. Restart your computer after updating to apply the changes and check if the problem is resolved. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Sometimes your computer's power settings may cause your monitor to behave unexpectedly. Navigate to your control panel or system preferences on Mac and find the power options. Ensure that there are no settings that turn off the monitor after a short period of inactivity. Adjusting these settings can prevent the monitor from shutting off prematurely and help in fixing the issue. Step 5. Reset the monitor to factory settings. If none of the previous steps work, try resetting your monitor to its factory settings. Most LG monitors have an on-screen menu where you can find the reset option. Following the manufacturer's instructions in the monitor's manual or on their website will lead you through the process. Resetting can resolve incorrect settings that may be the reason behind the monitor's erratic behavior. Step 6. Check for overheating. Overheating can cause your monitor to turn off as a protective measure. Make sure there's adequate ventilation around your monitor and that no vents are blocked. Dust can accumulate in the vents, causing overheating issues. Regularly clean the area around and inside these vents using compressed air to ensure proper airflow and temperature regulation. By following these steps, you should have a solid approach to how to fix LG monitor turning on and off. Each method targets a common issue that might be affecting your monitor, from checking connections and cables to ensuring your drivers are up to date. If the problem persists even after performing these checks and fixes, consider seeking professional help or contacting LG support. Stay patient and persistent, and you'll have your monitor back in tip-top condition. Good luck and happy computing.